Hey guys, I got a few things in the mail today that I'm very excited to share with you. They are Pat McGrath's Astral Blitz Quads. This is Nocturnal Nirvana and this is Ritualistic Rose. I do have Nocturnal Nirvana on my right eye and Ritualistic Rose on my left. We will dive into each of the palettes, do swatches, comparisons, and then we'll talk about how I came up with these looks. If you're wondering, is it possible to create full looks with just a quad? I would say yes. I did not use a third or a fourth palette to complete this today, so we'll talk about that in a little bit here. Why don't we start with Ritualistic Rose? This was the one that I looked most forward to when I saw it online. They were sold out completely when they were first launched last year and was finally restocked about a week ago. I jumped on that bandwagon so quickly. The moment it was released, added to my cart, checked out, they finally arrived today. So this is the quad itself, and we've got a lot of exposure here. All right, I've turned down the exposure just a bit so we can see the colors better. This is Beyond Bronze 003, Rose Quartz 005, this is Antique Gold 002, and then Astral Rose Orchid. Let's swatch the colors here. The shadows are pigmented, so they're easy to work with. We have Beyond Bronze here, Rose Quartz, Astral Rose Orchid, and the lightest of the four shades is Antique Gold. Antique Gold I apply to the inner corner and the brow bone. I put Rose Quartz all over the lid, added Beyond Bronze to the outer corner for some definition, and then applied very generously this Astral Rose Orchid here. That really is the prettiest dual chrome. It's a pink base with some green and gold reflex to it. The way I look at this quad is it complements Divine Rose because of all the pinky, mauvey tones. And I'm gonna try a look where I use Divine Rose and some of the shadows on Ritualistic Rose to see what kind of looks I can come up with. If you are interested in this quad, or if you've gotten it already, but you don't have Divine Rose, no worries, you can create a complete look as I have done here. This looks more elaborate, but you can certainly go in and do something that's more simple and daytime friendly, and you would achieve some really beautiful results. Like Divine Rose, I find that Ritualistic Rose is softer. You can do, a really smoky bronze and mauve toned look if you wanted to, but generally the colors do come out softer. Let's move on to Nocturnal Nirvana. We have here Nocturnal Nirvana. This is Blitz Purple, VR Emerald, Incandescent Gold 003, and then Blitz Aquamarine. Let's swatch these beauties. Now I am getting more fallout with this quad, although when I created this look, I didn't really have any issues here, but as I'm really going into the shadows and swatching them, there is some fallout. We have here Blitz Purple. This shadow was probably the most difficult to work with because it's such a deep color. You would think, oh, I only need a little bit. Boom, swipe, I have lots of color. No, I actually had to go in 3 or 4 times. And even as you look at my swatch here, it skipped initially, and so I had to go over it. But once you start getting that second or third layer on it, it really then starts to come together. The color really starts to pack on. So it does require a little bit more patience. And I would say this shade here of the 2 quads looks like it would be easiest to work with because it's most pigmented, but that is not the case. It does take a little bit more work. And then here we have VR Emerald, which I think is such a beautiful, beautiful duochrome. It's got a green base, but there's purple reflex to it, different specks of green, or I guess it's like gold and green. So it just really reminds me of like fairy dust for some reason. And then here we have Blitz Aquamarine, very smooth. This was very easy to apply. and then this Incandescent Gold 003. This gold has a foil-like finish and actually a pretty creamy texture. I applied Incandescent Gold on my crease here, blended it out, and then took Blitz Purple, applied it to the outer corners and then under my lower lash line. And then I used this VR Emerald as a transition shade for the center of my lid, going then into Blitz Aquamarine. Surprisingly, I think the look, even though it seems like that's a lot of colors to use for one look, I felt like it really turned out well, and I might even like it. Yeah, you know what? I think I like it more than what I did with Ritualistic Rose. Even though Ritualistic Rose was the palette that I looked most forward to out of the two, I was just very pleasantly surprised, especially with the Incandescent Gold. You would think that Pat McGrath has so much gold in all of her palettes. She has like one gold in almost every single one of her palettes that you think, well, what's the difference between this gold and the next? But there is a difference. There's a difference with the undertone of the color, there's a difference with the texture, and all of that changes how you might use it to create a look. And surprisingly, I would say Incandescent Gold might be my favorite gold from Pat McGrath. We just might do a video one day only looking at her gold shades. Now that we've looked at the palettes individually, I wanted to put the swatches side by side so you can have this comparison here. The color stories obviously are totally different. The textures of the shadows vary as well, and they give you two different complete experiences. So I couldn't tell you that one was better than the other. It all comes down to your color preference and what you like to do with these palettes. Well, what can I say? It's Pat McGrath. I love her for her artistry, her bold color decisions, the textures of her shadows. She puts all of that together into a palette and then says, take it, go on, have fun, enjoy this experience. And Nocturnal Nirvana, like Midnight Sun, has really surprised me. I really enjoyed this look that I put together, and it was really unplanned. I spent maybe 5 minutes looking at what I can do with the different shades available and came up with this. So I feel like if I can do that, so many other people are going to have great experiences with the palettes too. If you are on the fence, you're not sure which of the three quads to get, there is a third quad here that I did not purchase because I felt like maybe I had too many colors that were similar to it, but I might just go pick it up maybe at a later time. But if you're on the fence on Ritualistic Rose or Nocturnal Nirvana, go with the one you can't take your eyes off of. And if you enjoy Pat McGrath because she surprises you, then I would go with Nocturnal Nirvana. Have I made your choice easier? Maybe, maybe not. Well, she still has a sale happening on her website. If you purchase $150 or more, you get 25% off of your entire order. For any amounts less than that, it's 20% off. Maybe that will just push you over the edge. I do have a haul video coming pretty soon here. I look forward to seeing you guys then. Stay safe. See you later.